Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to give you a tip on how to get rid of hiccup. In Tagalog it's sinok, and in Bisaya it's sidok. So hiccup is the number one problem of my son, because every time I tickled him, he always does have a hiccup, and it takes a while before it healed. And so it annoys him that much. So he keeps like asking me, Mommy, I have a hiccup. I can't handle it. So I try to find a way on how to get rid of the hiccup. So first one that I did, I asked him to jump. And it doesn't work. I asked him to lay down with your back straight. It doesn't work. Or lay down with your tummy, and it doesn't work. So I again to grab water, drink some water, and it doesn't work. Asked him grab an ice cube. It works a little bit, but not that fast. And I asked him one time that, oh, I noticed that if I tickle you, you don't laugh out loud. You don't express your voice. Like you don't release all of your voice. So that's probably why you get a hiccup. And so I tried to tickle him again. And then he tried to raise his voice higher. And so the hiccup is still in there. So second to the last one, I asked him, can you hold your breath? I said, you have to hold your breath like for 5 seconds, like inhale an air and hold it into your mouth only. So he tried to do this way. For 5 seconds. So another 5 seconds. So 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, and 5. So it works a little bit, but I want to get rid of it like really, really fast, like all gone, all get rid of. So this one, the last one that I asked him is, okay, inhale air. So he did this one. So you have to inhale an air and like hold air in his mouth. So you're supposed to not release the air yet, and then no air coming out in your nose and coming in your nose. So you have to hold your breath and close and press your nose for 10 seconds. And let's try that way. Okay, so that's 10 seconds, and then another 10 seconds. So that's 20 seconds total. So if you notice that it's still not gone, there's still a little bit of it, try another seconds, and then it will heal fast, guys. I promise. It helps. And it works to me. It works for my son too. And I'm sure it will works for you. Hopefully that it will works for you, and gives me a thumbs up, and comment here below if it works for you guys. And thanks for watching. That's the only tips that I can give for now for how to get rid of hiccup. It's a short video, but it will give you freedom from hiccup. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.